Okay, and both. Sorry, I forgot. We're almost running out of time. Next, Lynn. Look at there. Is the shop open? Look at the picture. Is the shop open?
Yes.
Oh, are you sure it's open? That people can go there and buy the toys that they want? Are they still open?
No.
No. Why it's no? How do you say it's no? Because
Because the shops
because look at there the people in the picture. What are they doing, Lynn?
because the shop because the shop is closed down.
Okay, because the shop's door is closed, correct? And also in the picture, you can see that the two people in the picture are still fixing the things, right? Look at there. They're still fixing, so it means that it's not yet open because if the shop is already open, then they have to make sure that everything is arranged. All right? Okay, Lynn? Next, what color is the cat in the picture?
It's
The
white.
color. It's white. How many cats can you see?
There is one cat.
Okay, very good. I can see one cat. Now here, what's on the floor, Lynn, between the man and the woman? What can you see on the floor? Look at the man and the woman. What can you see on the floor? Between the man and the woman?
It bin.
Okay. It's a, again. It's a,
It's a bin.
oh, is it a bin? It's a box. Can you see the box?
Yes.
Yeah. What's inside the box, Lynn? What's inside the box?
Oh,
Toys. Very good. Next here. How many chairs can you see in the picture, Lynn?
there are two chairs.
Very good. What are the colors of these chairs?
Blue and red.
Okay, there you go. Very good, Lynn. All right, Lynn. So that's the end of our class this morning. So we don't have enough more time. Actually, we extended time already. But then I forgot to record the first few videos, okay? So, Lynn, that would be all for today. Goodbye for now, Lynn.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
See you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.